Okay, this is a tutorial. Be quiet, Blaze. It will forever be recorded on YouTube. Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to make a signature watermark. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go open up your scanned in signature. So open or Command O, and it's going to be under my SD card and Epson scan. And we'll go in here, we should be able to find it. There it is. Click open. The first thing we're going to do is we need to rotate this to a usable orientation. So image, image rotation, 90 degrees clockwise. And then the very first step, and always is the first step when we start working on an image, is to hit what? Control or Command J, right. And then we're going to turn off this background layer. And then we're going to use a skill that we've already previously learned, which is using the select color range option. And we're going to select white and bring this all the way up and then click OK. And then all we have to do now is hit delete, and we've removed the background. And we're Command D as in dog to deselect. We're going to then crop this to a usable size. So you're going to choose a dimension that works best for you. We're going to use width times height times resolution. And we want to make this into, since mine's kind of a square, I'm going to do 2 by 2 because otherwise it would be just a giant file. Resolution 300. And so when I do this, try that again. Move around a little bit. There we go. Enter. Now I have a usable size. Oh, nope, later. All right, from there, now we have essentially an image with no background. These little checkers are called interlacing, and we're going to save it as a PNG file. So File, Save As, and then we're going to choose our format as PNG or PNG. Title it your first and last name, Han Solo, signature. And then put it somewhere where you're going to find it, so probably back onto your thumb drive, and then click Save. You're going to want this on your thumb drive, that way you can go to any computer and do what we're going to do next. When your PNG options pop up, make sure that the interlaced is checked. This will save it without a background. If you have this unchecked, it will save it as a white background, and then you're right back from where you began. And then you click OK. Now that that's saved, I can now convert this into a brush. So we go to Edit, Define Brush Preset, right there. And you can give it a name. So we'll call this Burn Signature. Click OK. And now I'm going to open up an image really fast here. Let's see here. The desktop, what do we got here? Here's a picture from Homecoming. The winning door decorating contest winners, Mrs. Kneisel, not her class because she did all the decorating. Going to sign this image as your work of art. You then go to your brush and, oh, look at that. There's my signature. I can go over here and choose any color I want. Why don't we choose a color from the image? So we'll choose some red. Okay. And now you'll see that foreground color is now red. I can use my bracket keys on the keyboard to change the size, so I can make it really discreet or I can make it really big and obnoxious. Let's do that. And I'm going to put it right here in the middle, just like that, and I've just signed the photograph. But most of the time, something more discreet is preferable, so we'll just make it a little smaller. And sign it just like that. If I want to enhance it to where it pops out or make it even less discreet, I'm just going to Command Z to go backwards. I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to sign it again, and then I can also go in here and adjust the opacity so I can make it really discreet, but it's still signed, and I can protect my intellectual property. I can even add a drop shadow if I wanted to make it pop a little more. Let's go with a white drop shadow. Click OK, and there you go. And that's essentially what we're going to be doing. The next step in this is how to do a batch process, which we will do in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.